Dreamcatcher looks amazingly beautiful. People place dream catchers above their bed as it is believed that they catch bad dreams. Dream catchers are easy to make. They comprise a willow hoop that contains knitting or a web with braids or feathers hanging from it. It is believed that good dreams come through the holes and land on the owner, whereas the bad dreams get tangled in the web. Believe it or not, dream catchers make for a magical tattoo design. Whether you want to get it etched for the symbolic meaning behind its or its looks, a dream catcher is perfect. Not only do dream catchers look beautiful, but also they look stylish. So, without any delay, let's start the video. Explore unique and special gorgeous dreamcatcher tattoo design of your body. Number 1. Dreamcatcher ankle tattoo. Great a beautiful dreamcatcher ankle tattoo. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also makes for a realistic tattoo design. Number 2. Dreamcatcher arm tattoo. The arm is one of the most popular places for dreamcatcher tattoos. A dreamcatcher armband will look magical and stylish. Number 3. Dreamcatcher with rose tattoo. If you are looking for a delicate tattoo design, then go for a dreamcatcher with a rose tattoo. They look gorgeous. Number 4. Dreamcatcher Spain tattoo. Spain tattoo look fantastic. If you are sad that endure the pain that comes with Spain tattoos, then this is for you. Number 5. Dreamcatcher with quotes. Add your favorite quote to your dreamcatcher tattoo. Number 6. Cartoon dreamcatcher tattoo. If you are fond of cartoons, then get your dreamcatcher tattoo in a cartoon shape. Number 7. Dreamcatcher neck tattoo. The neck is a perfect placement for a small dreamcatcher tattoo design. Number 8. Dreamcatcher finger tattoo. Your finger is a beautiful spot for a teeny dreamcatcher tattoo. A small dreamcatcher tattoo look cute and elegant. Number 9. Dreamcatcher tattoo on thigh. The thigh is another trendy place for dreamcatcher tattoos. The best thing about thigh tattoos is they can be kept hidden as and when the wearer wants. Number 10. Family dream catcher tattoo. You can personalize your dream catcher tattoo by adding your family member's name of the web. It is an excellent option to dedicate your tattoo to your family members or loved ones. Number 11. Dreamcatcher floral tattoo. Women loves flower and dreamcatcher floral tattoos make for great feminine tattoo design. Number 12. Dreamcatcher shoulder tattoo. Shoulder tattoos looks awesome and a dreamcatcher on your shoulder is a perfect option for your next tattoo design. Number 13. With heart. Take your dreamcatcher tattoo to the next level by adding a small heart to it. A small heart hanging on the dreamcatcher will look perfect. It's make for any elegant tattoos design. Number 14. Clock tattoo. Customize your dreamcatcher tattoo by adding a o'clock to it. You can get a watch or a timepieces attached on the inside of the dreamcatcher design. Number 15. Watercolor design. Watercolor dreamcatcher tattoo will have a stunning color. But watercolor tattoos should be done by the skilled artist only. So make sure you go to an artist who experience in watercolor tattoos. Number 16. Bird dream catcher tattoo. Get a bird is sitting in the middle of the dream catcher. You can even have small birds hanging at the end of the dream catcher. Number 17. Moon dream catcher tattoo. Moon dream catcher tattoo looks magical. Inserted or having a traditional dreamcatcher shape, get a moon-shaped dreamcatcher. The moon goes well with the dreamcatcher as it is associated with dreams. Number 18. Branch dreamcatcher tattoo. Get a bit creative. Rather than having traditional feature dangling, add branches to your dreamcatcher tattoo. A unique and elegant tattoo design for you. Number 19. With Ripson. Dreamcatcher with Ripson dangling make for eye-catching tattoo design. Number 20. Butterflies Dreamcatcher Tattoo. Butterflies Dreamcatcher Tattoo are perfect for both men and women. You can have theme in black ink or get theme etched in color ink. This tattoo design looks terrific. Get it and grab on your arm or back. Number 21. Behind the ear tattoo. If you are looking for a small tattoo design, get a Dreamcatcher tattoo behind your ear. Tattoos behind the ear make for very sensual tattoo design. Number 22. Matching tattoos. Dreamcatcher make for great matching tattoos or couple tattoos. Both men and women can wear them. You can even personalize it by simply adding the name of your partner. It's look cool. Number 23. Name Dreamcatcher tattoos. Get a personalized Dreamcatcher tattoo. Check the traditional feature or trends. Get your loved one's name dialing down from the Dreamcatcher. It's a cool way to show your love for your family members. Number 24. Small tattoo. If you are one of those people who prepare small tattoos, then a teeny Dreamcatcher tattoo is apt for you. You can get a small Dreamcatcher tattoos anywhere on your body, from the back, on your ear to your ankle. Small Dreamcatcher tattoos look mesmerizing. Also, they make for the best mesmerizing tattoo design. Number 25. Multiple Dreamcatcher tattoo. Multiple Dreamcatcher tattoos make for a unique tattoo design. You can get a multiple Dreamcatcher tattoo on your back or on your thing. Give a Dreamcatcher tattoo and keep all the bad dreams, bad omens, and evils away forever. Happy tattooing! That is all in this video. I hope you enjoy all the tattoo suggestion in this video. If you want to cover your gorgeous Dreamcatcher tattoo design, then those tattoos will be best for you. There are some more tattoo concept videos in our channel. Some are especially for women, some are especially for men. You may watch those videos and also to get some special and unique tattoo ideas. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.